And Assalamualaikum. I am Barudi Muhammad Asnanpi. I'm going to make a reaction video on all about the imitation game. Watching the imitation game was both heartbreaking and inspiring. It makes me uh, feel about our environment that uses critical thinking, innovation, and technology. Yeah, it also made me serve as a environmental uh, environmental security that makes us how uh, Turing's tragic fate is used. It made me appreciate the importance of critical thinking, innovation, and technology. However, it also served as a reminder of how society can recognize and respect those who do not fit conventional molds. Tragic Turing's tragic fate is powerful statement of and discrimination and the importance of inclusivity.